Every summer, in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, a small army of Warbirds of America volunteers helps to bring one of the world's greatest aviation gatherings to life. They guide Warbird aircraft, support pilots, and welcome thousands of visitors. This is the Warbirds community.
Welcome to our live stream Warbirds visit here on this early February day. We're looking forward to having a lot of our Warbird volunteers here in Oshkosh, and no better place to start out than right here in the Welcome Warbirds building on Whitman Field. And we look forward to seeing everyone here in July as well. So it's going to be a little warmer than we hope. So we'll see you all very soon.
For pilots, the experience begins the moment they land. Volunteers greet them and make sure they feel at home. They are the first faces pilots see, and often the first helping hand. Warbird pilots can register their aircraft online ahead of the event, or in person at the pilot registration building when they arrive.
That information provides a tremendous aid to Warbirds, provides us with information on the pilot, contact information, his insurance information for when they're going to be flying formation during the show. And also it provides us with information about how many Warbirds arrive at Oshkosh and are on the field in Oshkosh each year.
But what visitors see in July is the result of work happening all year long. Meals are planned, equipment is maintained. Training never stops. Hundreds of volunteers prepare so thousands can experience AirVenture safely and smoothly.
Each day during AirVenture, our volunteers in the food shack provide over 350 of our volunteers with their breakfast and lunch. So it's just a great place and a great service to our volunteers.
Every vehicle, every tug, every tool plays a critical role. Moving historic aircraft requires skill, experience, and absolute focus. Because when you're guiding a multi-million-dollar airplane, safety is everything.
All of the equipment seen here is operated by not only experienced, but also very well-trained volunteers. Everyone that operates our equipment is very familiar with the equipment itself and any of the aircraft or other equipment that they are going to be connecting to. So when one of our start carts has to get connected to a jet, they have to know which connection system that they require and how much power they're going to need to feed to that jet in order to get that started so he can go off and fly around the air show.
The Warbird merchandise store is open year-round, with online orders packed and shipped right here on the field. Every purchase directly supports Warbird programs, helping fund operations throughout the year, alongside annual memberships. It's more than merchandise. It's one of the key ways we keep Warbirds moving forward.
One of the most visited locations in the Warbird area is right here in the Warbird merchandise building and store. The team of volunteers in the merchandise building are here to help them take some Warbird memorabilia back home with them. shirts, hats, jackets, sweatshirts, and periodically a raincoat, which comes in handy a few times each year, is available here in the Warbird merchandise store.
For over 25 years, Warbirds in Review has welcomed the men and women who helped shape our history. Through the stories of veterans, aircraft owners, and pilots, we reflect on their service and experiences. At the center is the Warbirds in Review Quonset Hut, where presenters prepare, and each program comes together before going live. From here, the live stream shares these stories beyond Oshkosh, reaching viewers in well over 70 countries. Inside the Youth Education Center, young visitors step into simulators and imagine themselves in the cockpit, because the future of aviation depends on the next generation.
Each summer, hundreds and hundreds of young people come through this building to try one of our Corsair or P-51 simulators to become interested, to test out what flying a World War II fighter would actually be like. Because we all understand, the parents understand, Warbirds members, Warbirds volunteers all understand that really the future of Warbirds, the future of aviation, is the next generation.
The Warbirds Living History Group brings military history to life through hands-on displays and educational programs. For them, the greatest reward is sparking a child's curiosity and inspiring the next generation to carry that history forward. Warbird security plays a vital role during AirVenture Oshkosh, working around the clock to protect the aircraft, guests, and the entire Warbirds area, ensuring a safe and secure environment for everyone on the grounds. Supporting that effort, Civil Air Patrol cadets, young men and women, help supplement security and support operations across the area. Alongside them, Warbirds first responders stand ready to respond, providing immediate support and care whenever it's needed. Warbirds Aircraft Maintenance keeps these historic aircraft ready to fly, providing the expertise and care they need on the ground. Without their support, many pilots might not make it to their next airshow, or even back to their home airport. The Warbirds Tower oversees aircraft movement within the Warbirds area, coordinating arrivals and departures throughout AirVenture. With steady, clear guidance, they bring you safely in and send you smoothly on your way. Warbirds judging is carried out by experienced aircraft owners, pilots, and restoration professionals who carefully evaluate each aircraft on display. For many, the year is measured by whether a restoration can be completed in time for Oshkosh, because here, everyone is striving to present their very best. For spectators, members, and pilots alike, one of the most enjoyable ways to explore the Warbird area is the tram program. It's a fun, guided ride across the grounds, with a docent sharing the aircraft's rich history as you pass them. A unique chance to experience the full scale and story of Warbirds from end to end.
Everyone has a tremendous time. They start out the south end, go all the way through the north end, through the bombers, the trainers, the fighters, all the aircraft in the Warbird area. And it really gives folks a tremendous opportunity to really see the expanse of the Warbird area, because we do occupy almost 60 acres of Whitman Field during Oshkosh.
Warbirds Training Command honors the aircraft that trained a generation for World War II. Stearmans, BT-13s, T-6s, SNJs, that prepared young pilots for combat and service. These historic trainers marked the beginning of countless aviation stories, where skill was built, confidence was earned, and the journey to the front lines first took flight. Warbirds membership and member services help measure the strength of the community and support the people behind it. Along with Warbirds merchandise, they provide vital resources that keep Warbirds of America moving forward year after year. The Warbirds grounds team ensures the area is clean, organized, and welcoming throughout AirVenture. Because how the grounds look is a reflection of who we are and the pride we take in preserving aviation history. Warbirds chocks play a vital role in keeping these valuable Warbird aircraft securely in place, preventing even the slightest movement on the ramp. At the heart of it is El Chaco, whose handcrafted wooden chocks secure the aircraft and honor the legacy. Beyond supplying every Warbirds area, he also creates special tribute chocks inscribed with "Remembering" the names of cherished members and volunteers, turning a simple safety tool into a lasting symbol of respect. Warbirds Editorial shares the Warbird story with the world through the magazine, e-blasts, website, and live stream. With compelling articles, powerful photography, and first-hand perspectives, it brings aviation history to life, while inspiring membership, encouraging support, and helping sustain the mission year after year. Families camp together, friends reunite, stories are shared. People come for the aircraft and return for the people.
We have a team of volunteers out here that work tirelessly throughout the entire day, well into the evening, to make sure that whatever the campers may need, they can help them with it or direct them in the right spot to get whatever they need for their camping experience, to make it a good time here in the Warbird area.
Warbirds headquarters is home to the president, board of directors, executive director, and management staff who guide the organization year-round. Their leadership and direction are vital, providing the vision, oversight, and steady support that keep Warbirds of America strong and moving forward. From the flight line to the simulators, from maintenance crews to storytellers, the Warbirds community comes together each year with a shared purpose: to preserve history, support one another, and keep these aircraft flying for future generations. It's a mission powered by dedication, pride, and a deep love of aviation, carried forward by people who give their time, talent, and heart to something bigger than themselves. Because in the end, as General James H. Doolittle reminded us, nothing is as strong as the heart of a volunteer.